if you want to go from this to this, please stay tuned for the following tutorial. I hope you like it. Enjoy.
I thought you would be mine this Christmas. Ring, ring, ring. Hear the bells ringing on the Christmas tree. Minnesota winter snow is glistening. Yeah, but I'll be spending this one different. Share the fireplace in your stockings missing.
Add your moisturizer and rub it in really well.
It took a lot of hard shit just to learn.
Please, please, please do not forget to moisturize those ashy lips, okay? Now the next thing we're gonna do is I am adding a eye bag remover because my bags are so big. Next, do not forget the primer. The primer is one of the most important steps that you can do while you're applying your makeup, and make sure you rub that primer in really well. This next step is for my oily skin girls. If your skin gets oily, adding calamine lotion to your makeup routine is A1. You do not want to miss this step. Next thing, you want to set all of that with a translucent powder. After you brush up your eyebrows with a spoolie, it's time to draw on your eyebrows. You can draw your eyebrows to your facial shape and however you would like. Just make sure whatever you do to one side, just try to do it to the other side. And eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters. So yeah, just get them as close as possible. This next step is applying a concealer under your eyebrows, on top of your eyebrows, and you just want to blend that out. This step basically erases any mistakes that you may have created while you were drawing on your eyebrows. Make sure you blend, blend, blend. Didn't I tell y'all to blend? Yes, I'm still blending. Please do not forget to set your eyebrows with the translucent powder. For my eyeshadow, I'm using a dark brown eyeshadow as my transition color before adding the color black to my eyelids. Using the color black can be tricky, so make sure you blend, blend, blend. Also, feel free to use whatever colors you may wish, and whatever colors you use, just make sure you're blending those colors out. Now, underneath the brow bone, I'm just using a neutral nude color, and I'm blending out those colors very well. It's time for foundation. Yes, it's time to put the color back into your face. When you are applying your foundation, make sure that you are blending and pressing that foundation into the skin, and you are blending that. After you apply your liquid foundation, it is time to set that with a pressed powder. Doing this will reduce the oil that may pop up on your skin. Next up is my under eye. I like to use a bright under eye concealer because I personally like a bright under eye. Feel free to use whatever color you want, and just make sure you blend out that concealer that is underneath your eyes, your chin, and your nose. Before I blend my under eye, I like to use a setting spray to wet my sponge because I find it to give me a flawless finish. You want to wet your sponge so that your concealer is easier to work with.
Capping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego.
My favorite part in the makeup tutorial. This is called baking. Baking is so important if you do not want your under eyes to crease. Whatever you do on one side, just make sure you do to the other. And wherever you added that concealer is where you want to bake.
I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, ain't no telling what he saw. Watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a game, but
it is time to contour those cheeks, honey. Contour the cheeks and the nose using a darker powder color. You can use powder or cream. It's your preference.
On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo.
As you just saw, I am showing you guys that I am using a very tiny brush to contour my nose. To contour your nose, you can use a eyeshadow or you can use a contour powder or, like I said, a cream. It's your preference.
Running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, take a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle.
Adding blush to your look is totally optional, but I like to add blush to my cheeks and my nose. Once I applied the blush and everything is on my face, I like to take a clean brush and blend everything together. Did I say blend? Make sure you blend everything together. You don't want to mess up your hard work, do you? Make sure you set your face so that your face remains flawless for the entire day. Now I am just erasing the harsh lines in my eyebrows, just shaping them up to make them look more softer. What you just saw was me apply a highlighter to the bridge of my nose, my cheeks, and the tip of my nose. In this step, I went ahead and added a black eyeliner to my waterline. And yes, I am blending that out with my finger. Now for my favorite step, I went ahead and added a cat eye. This is what I wear. And I used the blackest of the black that I can find. I did, obviously, the cat eye on both eyes. Here I am applying my eyelash glue, and then I'm going to apply my strip eyelashes. Next up, I'm using my favorite NYX Butter Gloss in the color Chocolate Lava, I believe. This is just a dark brown color. Then to fill that in, I am using a lighter color called Fortune Cookie, just to create my favorite ombre lip. And boom, there we have it. I went ahead and applied my wig off camera. Now I'm just applying a few accessories.
Thank you for watching my makeup tutorial holiday edition 2022. If you would like to see more of these tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below. All right, you guys, see you in the next vlog. Happy Vlogmas. Bye, y'all.
Minnesota when the snow is glistening, yeah. But I'll be spending this one different. Check the fireplace in your stockings, about to celebrate when you're not here.